The PNP says there is still no official order to arrest Senator Bato de la Rosa and bring him to the International Criminal Court. De la Rosa, who remains holed up at the Senate, is now exhausting all possible means to prevent his arrest, going as far as asking protection from President Marcos himself. Mobile journalist Merimon Reyes with tonight's big story.
Sa ngayon po, nilinaw natin sa Director ng Legal Service, hindi pa po nagko-convene ang NCB-PCTC kaugnay ng pag-i-implement ng ICC warrant po. Meaning po, wala pang specific na direct na kautusan sa Philippine National Police para po siya ay arrest.
No order yet to arrest Senator Bato de la Rosa. This was the PNP stand on the former PNP chief turned lawmaker who is currently seeking refuge at the upper chamber building. That's after NBI agents tried to arrest him on Monday, May 11. The NBI, together with former Senator Antonio Trillanes, were carrying an order from the International Criminal Court ordering De La Rosa's arrest as a co-perpetrator in the Crimes Against Humanity case of former President Rodrigo Duterte. The Philippine National Police, however, said the local bureau of the International Criminal Police Organization, or Interpol, has yet to coordinate with them regarding the arrest warrant against De La Rosa, which the police force said is ready to implement once it comes out.
Ang CIDG ang pangunahing unit ng Philippine National Police na sinasabi natin mangunguna doon sa contingency plan na i-implement natin. So handang-handa naman ang Philippine National Police, lalo na po yung ating CIDG personnel, na kung sakasakaling maitap na sila ng NCB-PCTC na implement yung ICC warrant. At ito ipapatupad at sila handang-handa naman.
Asked whether the PNP had deferred to the NBI in arresting De La Rosa, this was Tuanyo's reply.
Na hindi na pinaiubaya sa ibang agency yung pag-aresto po kay Senator Bato de la Rosa.
The PNP spokesperson further added that the warrant for De La Rosa's arrest may be implemented in two ways. The first option, Tuanyo said, is extradition. The second option is direct surrender under Republic Act 9851 or the Philippine Act on Crimes Against International Humanitarian Law, Genocide, and other crimes against humanity. The NCB-PCTC would then task the Department of Justice, the Department of Foreign Affairs, the PNP, and the NBI with implementing the directive, which Tuanyo said is yet to happen. So the question now, can Bato actually just leave the Senate? Well, based on the PNP's update, he can. But the senator remains holed up in the Senate. He actually spent the night there after his encounter with the NBI on Monday.
Hindi kayo nakatulog po. Sir, bakit? Are you worried kaya hindi kayo nakakatulog?
Currently, De La Rosa's camp is exhausting all legal remedies to prevent his arrest. There is a petition filed before the Supreme Court where De La Rosa is seeking protection from the ICC warrant. His lawyers continue to argue that only a local court can issue a warrant for the senator. The SC, they say, needs to clarify this.
It is very important so that the tension would be at least stopped or at least lessened. So that while the petition is, the main petition is still being deliberated, there is a TRO that will be issued hopefully, and that would stop the PNP and other government agencies.
The country's legal experts have also given their 2 cents on De La Rosa's use of his status as a sitting senator to evade arrest. They maintain that a lawmaker's immunity from arrest is only good for cases carrying a maximum penalty of 6 years or less and when Congress is in session. Former Integrated Bar President Domingo Cayosa says De La Rosa's only option is to surrender.
Kung sakasakaling ikaw ay naparatangan after due process at meron kang warrant of arrest, di ba dapat law-abiding ka? Lawmaker ka, huwag kang maging lawbreaker.
Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano maintains that De La Rosa will continue to have the Senate's protection unless a local court issues a warrant for his arrest. This is why De La Rosa is determined to fight his impending capture. Senator Bato reiterated that he is willing to face the charges against him, but in a Philippine court.
Kahit sino, tanungin natin sino Pilipino gusto gano'ng mangyari. We will exhaust all available means, legal means. Kailangan gawin natin lahat para hindi na tayo madala doon sa dahig.
An emotional De La Rosa even went as far as to ask President Bongbong Marcos not to surrender him to the ICC.
Hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para na rin sa lahat ng mga Pilipino na malagay sa ganitong sitwasyon. Tao lang ako. Hindi ako robot. Hindi ako makina. Tao lang ako. May appeal is sincere to the President. Huwag niya akong ipadala sa... Kung meron akong nanagutan, patagutin ko dito sa ating local road. Huwag doon sa Banyaga.
Kapatid mobile journalist Mary Mon Reyes, we are One News.